All right, so we have 1 stick of melted butter. And then we're gonna grab some brown sugar. It's giving me some trouble. We're gonna need about 1 cup of brown sugar to mix in with that butter. Perfect. Grab a whisk and get that well blended. Delicious. Okay. We're gonna put this to the side. Grab a sheet pan and a scooper, and we're just gonna scoop a little bit of mixture right there. That might have been too much. Just like that. And you'll see what we're doing in just a second. This is such a good and yummy dessert. So easy, just a few ingredients. Pop it in your oven and then it's gonna be delicious. We don't need to spray the pan because we have all that butter in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my pineapple rings, and we're gonna put 1 pineapple ring just like that. Perfect. This is gonna be so good. If you guys like pineapple upside down cake, you're gonna love this easy dessert. Just make sure that the brown sugar mixture is fully around the ring. Grab some maraschino cherries and just put 1 in each of your rings, just like you would with a pineapple upside down cake. Just quickly so we can get this in the oven. This looks so good already. All right, beautiful. Now for the main ingredient, our puff pastry sheet. Go ahead and open this baby up, just like this. And we are gonna need 6 pieces because we have 6 of those pineapples. So we'll cut it in half, just like that. And then 1 more time, like this. Look how easy that is. Beautiful. Bring this back, and we are just gonna put these right on top of that pineapple. Cover the whole pineapple, just like this. Look how easy this is. One of my easiest desserts ever. Okay. Beautiful. Almost done. Last but not least, and you can totally skip this part if you don't have an egg, we're gonna do a nice little egg wash. And I use the yolk and the egg whites because that just ends up being the best for my egg washes. Give that a nice mix. And then a light brush on top of that puff pastry. Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. I'm so excited to share this with you. Just wait until we see these flip over. It's gonna be the best dessert you'll ever make. And it's so perfect for summer that, there we go. Beautiful. Get those edges. All right. Now this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350 and these are gonna cook for like 25 to 30 minutes. Oh my, would you look at these? I did let them cool down completely. Let's go ahead and check out the bottom. Ooh, give it a little wiggle. Oh my, that looks so good, you guys. A little upside down pastries. Okay, it's time to try one of these babies out. So good.